Hey guys, welcome to TechAsian. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable your USB port. Okay, I'll tell you why it is necessary. It is necessary to protect your system data, your system files, your personal data and your computer, so no one other can access the data and copy or all your data in your pen drive. Okay, so other side, this process is also called data loss protection. Okay. There are a lot of antivirus and other softwares that provide this kind of service, like to protect your data. So if anyone plugs in any pen drive or any USB drive into your computer through USB port, so they won't be able to access your data because the USB port will be disabled. Okay, so there are two procedures to disable your USB port. One is with software and one is without software. Okay, so let's begin. First of all I'll tell you how to do without software. Okay, so what you have to do is just let's click on the start menu, type run. So your run application appears on the screen over here. Click on the application. So now what we have to type REGEDET. This means it is a registry editor command where you can edit the registry files in your computer. Okay, click on OK. As you can see, it's asking to allow. Click on yes. So as you can see, a lot of things appear. Okay, so as you can see here, at the very beginning your computer will appear in this way. So what you have to do, okay, go to hotkey local machine, click here. Okay, after that you need to go to system, that's here. Click on system. Okay, again there are a lot of folders and subfolders will appear over here. Now you have to go to current control set, right? Click here, go to the services. Where is that? Yeah, go to services. Now you have to scroll down and down and down. Finally will say USB store, this thing. Okay, so click on this, you will get files over here. So what you have to click on this start, right click, modify, click on modify. Just you need to change this value data. Okay, at the very initial stage and working condition the value is 3, and what you have to do for disabling your USB port is just change the value to 4. That's it, nothing more you have to do. Just change this value and click on OK. So now you can see your USB port is disabled and no one other can access or access your data from your PC, or they can't copy your informations. Okay, and again if you want to enable your USB port, go to the same, it's the same process. Click on this, right click on the start, modify, and modify it to 3. Okay, and click OK. Now your USB port is enabled and it is in working condition. The second option, what I said, is with software you can enable or disable. It's a very easy process. Okay, and I have provided the link in the description. You can go through the link to download the portable software through which you can block and unblock your USB port. Click on. So here is the software through which you can block and unblock your USB port. Click on this software. The download link for this software I provided in the description. In the link in the description box, link is provided. You can download this software from the link. Okay, so right click on the application, click on run as administrator, allow, yes. So as you can see here, Chrome browser. So guys, I'll show you the software. That software is used to control the data transfer between your PC. Like, it's a data loss protection software through which you can disable all your USB ports, so for no one can access the data from your USB port through USB drive or any storage device. Okay, so first of all, the software name is Port Blocker. Okay, and to download that application, I have given the link in the description below, so you can download that application from the description link. I'll show you the application. Port Locker. Okay, authorize the application, click yes. So I'm using the application in trial version, which is for 30 days. You can get the full version from the internet. Okay, during the setup time, when you install this application, it will ask you to set a password, whatever password you want to choose. You set as per your companion. So I'll enter my password. As you can see here, the application is open in full window. Go to the configuration, port settings. So here's the USB port, Bluetooth, everything. It comes all of the features you can lock and unlock of your PC, like network adapter, CD-DVD-ROM, printer, infrared, Bluetooth, anything. Okay, so as basically we are talking about USB port. So checkbox this application, USB port, the permanent block, schedule block or unblock. Okay, these are the three features. As per your use, you can choose any of one. Permanent, if you block this, so your USB port won't be able to access the pen drives or any USB storage device. So if you want to unlock it, click on unblock and click here apply and close the application and enjoy the feature. Thank you. If you like this video, please thumbs up the video, and if you have any question or queries, comment in the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.